Hey guys, welcome to the Vortex. Let me just see if I'm online first, so we can actually do something rather than just. Let me just see if I'm online, my channel, and we are online. Today is game design day 14. So we are in 14 streams in. Currently we are developing. I'm Vedant Chauhan if you don't know who I am, and currently we are developing a game called Mind Within. And basic idea about the basic summary of the game is it's about a girl who is mentally disabled and she's been kidnapped. And so she creates to escape the kidnapper. She creates her own reality, kind of a fantasy world, to escape the kidnappers. So currently, this is what the game looks like for now. I'm just going to show you. So that this is level 2 phase 1. Last stream what we worked on was currently this is what the game looks like for now. Last stream we worked on level 2 phase 1. We worked on a trigger system, warning system for the enemies, which is kind of like this. So if enemy spots you, it basically says any kidnapper spotted you, run for your life. And then basic idea will be this is going to be a trigger. So kidnapper spotted you, run for your life. Kidnapper will not stop chasing you. That's the theory of it, because let's be honest, it's a reality based game. So our level 2 phase 1 is done. What we're trying to fix now, last stream was we kind of fucked up on the control transitions. So transition does happen in world 1. So transition phase, like transition video, does happen. So this does happen, and you do get like a F to pick up the flashlight, and kidnapper works on here as well. So kidnapper spotted you, run for your life. So this happens when scene changes, right? So you change in your own reality. This is level 1, phase 2. La 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 la. Crouching makes a great exercise. This is where we introduce the crouching mechanic, and we do have a crouching mechanic like this. We're gonna change that a bit and kind of like this. But since I made that happen, it won't trigger itself once it's on the thing. So I did think about a code to make it happen. I'm just gonna show you guys. First things first, what we can do. I went in the wrong code. Alright, first things first. So transition fade level 2 phase 1, that's happened, right? But it's not gonna happen because we should change the scene, transition fade in. So what we'll do is we'll copy this. We make another public illuminator. I'm gonna name it change scene 2. And then what we'll do is, I don't know if it will work though, because and then transition fade in, wait for seconds, copy, change that, get that in. Done. So this is for the change scene 2. So once you go in, so this should trigger this change scene 2. So change scene 2, and this will trigger that, and we'll do that for everything changing. And so this will be, I'm gonna make another. So to make it more visible, I'm gonna show change scene codes. This is the easiest way I know how to do it, so I'm just gonna keep it with this way because this is the easiest way and this is more controlling way of doing it. And let me wait 1 second. Hey. Just wanna check doing everything right. Yeah. So this is what, I mean, the code is kind of a problem, but that's fine. Yeah, so this should trigger my level 2 change scene 2. So, come on. I have to pick a flashlight and we're gonna introduce that happens, works, right? I think you can add audio to this as well if I am not wrong. I think you can maybe able to add audio. This don't get triggered, right? There's two reasons, there can be two reasons for that. First, level 2 phase 1 doesn't exist in the build settings. It does, right? So that's not it. Second might be I didn't tell it to. So if I go on scenes, world 2, where is everything? Ah, there it is. So wherever is this, where is the trigger for it? That's the trigger 3. So trigger is on it. Right. That's fine. So world 1. Okay, so you see, technically it should get triggered. I don't even know how I did it in the last stream, to be honest. I forget. My bad. Soon. So there's the thing. Do I have any code on the trigger? Yeah, I have the transition code on the trigger. So trigger should have a transition code. So level 2 phase 1 level 2 phase 1. No wait, lower it is, sorry. And I go to the trigger doesn't have the code, so I add the to transition and canvas, it should have a canvas group, so it should have a raw image on it. Oh wait, that might be. UI raw image. There you go. So okay, this will become, it should have a canvas group and interactive. No, alpha goes 0. Wait, let's take one from outside. And radar transform. I can actually make a shape. Alright, 1000 and 1000. Right, done. Canvas group alpha. That's fine. Now I'm just gonna go image that and trigger 3. Is that the code? Why is my laptop going like it's the end of the day? But no. Canvas group done. And now it should technically trigger it in. Wait, that might be the problem rather than me doing the shit thing. wanted to test something, but so fade. Okay. Wait, can you hit this thing? There we go, like wrong. This needs to have a canvas look rather than actual canvas. And guys, if you're noticing the change of environment, I moved to Coventry recently to focus on some things. But yeah, I'm in Coventry right now, so hence the change of environment. Do miss London, but